Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today's video I will teach you how to unblock someone on Facebook, and it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. So let's say if I want to unblock somebody on Facebook, what I need to do is first what I gotta do is open Facebook, and at the bottom right corner you can see the menu icon. You want to click on menu. Once you're inside your menu, at the top you can see the search icon. You want to click on search, and on search you want to write BLOCK, block. Once you search for block, it's going to show you this option called blocked people. You want to click on blocked people, and it's going to show you all the people who you have blocked on your Facebook. So I have only blocked one person called Rap Nepal, that's why it's only showing me that. But if I had blocked multiple people, all the people are going to be available over here, or is going to be shown over here, all the list of blocked people from my Facebook. And to unblock them, it's pretty simple. You just have to click on unblock right beside their name, and you have to read this. As you guys can see, if you unblock somebody, then to again block them you need to wait 48 hours. So if you're sure you want to do that, then you can click on unblock. Alright, so make sure to read all this so you don't regret that you unblocked somebody. So I click on unblock, and as you guys can see, the person's name just disappeared from over here. That means I have unblocked them. Now if I want to block the same person again, which means Rap Nepal, I need to wait 48 hours. So until and unless the 48 hours passes, I cannot block him again. So that's basically how you guys can unblock someone on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide future videos related with Facebook like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. And if you guys have any question, you can comment down below to ask us anything you want. That's it. Bye-bye.